perfect execution. The Pantheon probably pissing
Good
themselves
work,
right
Woods.
now.
Get out of
Do
here.
some damage.
Got the kill camera. Oh damn, no.
Tuna.
No matter what, bro. Got you. 100%. No, I'm good. Still can't use you, guy. It's almost like... It's not that. But bro, one of the best people is that she's in a better
Party break.
one thing to move her.